Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AMB-Review. Today I will show you an exclusive review for Mega Email Kit, so let's check it out. Never before revealed. Download the exact $9.97 original email swipes that generated more than $2 million in affiliate sales. A mega collections of email swipes that you can and copy, paste and blast to your list to make huge affiliate commissions without lifting your finger. Get immediate access to download 977 plus high-quality email swipes in the hottest niches. Copy, paste and blast the swipes to make insane profits promoting own or affiliate products. High-converting swipes which had made me over $2 millions with literally no hard works. You have absolute rights to modify the swipes to get more conversions and sales. Email swipes for lifetime use without additional cost, one-time payment. Bonus 1, get my exclusive video course on email marketing. Bonus 2, get my exclusive video course on how to warm up email account before sending cold email, plus 10 warm-up email swipes. Bonus 3, give away 100 high-converting subscriber from MMO email list. You can see also the vendor Gon Kian Guan, Mega Email Kit official website demo review video.
A mega collections of email swipes that you can copy, paste and blast to your list to make huge affiliate commissions without lifting your finger. Get immediate access to download 977 plus high-quality email swipes in the hottest niches. Copy, paste and blast the swipes to make insane profits promoting your own or affiliate products. These high-converting swipes have made over $2 million with literally no hard work. You have absolute rights to modify the swipes to get more conversions and sales. Plus, you get lifetime use of the email swipes without any additional cost. As a bonus, you'll also receive my exclusive video course on email marketing. And another bonus, my exclusive video course on how to warm up your email account before sending cold emails, along with 10 warm-up email swipes. But that's not all. You'll also get 100 high-converting subscribers from the MMO email list as a giveaway. I just paid $18K for these email swipes that earned me over $2 million. But you can have them for peanuts if you take action now, said the reference material.